Hello everyone. So in this video, we will talk about the field service portals configuration, how to run the configuration, how to integrate a field service with the module of Dynamics field service. So first thing, we have multiple templates here. If I go here in the powerpages.microsoft.com, so you can see we have multiple built-in templates available. This one is the program restrictions and starter layout. And if I scroll down, so we have one portal for field service portal, and you can see these preview templates here. You can uh, apply a booking, book a new appointments, and you can see this. So I have already configured this field service portal in our organization. If you want to configure the new one, so you need to select the choose these templates. Otherwise, I have already installed. So if I go here in my home page, and we can see, so you can see it's yeah, we have active site template, inactive site template, and in active site template we already have configured the field service. So we can, if you want to edit from this Power Pages website, so you need to click on the edit icons. So I've just clicked the edit. And once you install this template, so you need to do some configuration. Configuration means you need to go here in the field service. No, this one is a power. Yeah, you need to go field service app and scroll down, and you need to change the here the settings. And then you need to go here in the portal setting, custom portal. Okay. So this one is a configuration setting, and you can see there is a one record, and you need to open this record, and there is some configuration just like if you want to track my technician years, self scheduling preview, sends scheduling experience and account, but currently it's no. Booking confirm, booking reminder. This one is a message step, so I will show you in the next video. This one is a message configuration. If you want to send email or if you want to send message, so you need to click here. Otherwise, this one is a display text. You can change the color and the font style and the background colors of the field service portal. This one is the background colors, and other thing is where is the forms? Yes, and track my technicians. You can enable or disable this. Enable map, resource name, image, phones. Okay, so once you done this configuration, so you need to go. The second configuration part is service type. Where is the mm, incident types? So you need to click on the incident type, and here I have created a one inspection. You can see this one is incident type inspection, and it's a 30 minutes inspection. You can see this duration of this inspection, and if I go here you can see this 30 minutes inspection times. Okay, so here I go back here, and you can see this one is enabled for C2. If you click the no, so the portal will showing this some error, just like a permission error. So always you need to click for enable for C2. And this one is the more settings means when you create a incident tab, so you have option for details, products, service tasks, and the solutions. So this one is a basic settings of configuration. Once you done all the configuration, so you can see this one is a field service portal configuration is done. So when we click this self scheduling, so you can see this service locations and the service type and the selector date and the time available. So in the next video, I will show you more details of the field service. Thank you.